welcome to my channel. So today we'll be doing a challenge called the mystery wheel challenge. So how this challenge works is every time you spin the wheel, you'll get a different result. So keep on watching to understand it. So if you guys like this video, then like and share it with your friends and family. Now it's for the shout outs. If you guys want a shout out in the next video, make sure you find the secret word in this video. There are total of 3 rounds and here is round number 1. Here I got fast food. So what fast food are we gonna to make? And here I got burger. Let's get right into it. Here I'm making the buns with a pale brownish yellow, and for the meat or chicken or something, I'm not sure though, but I'm using brown. Please don't judge me. So I'm making the brown part as even as possible, and with the red, let's do the tomatoes, which is some small circles. For the lettuce, I tore the clay for thin and rough uneven edges, and at last, let's do the cheese slice. I love cheese actually. Now join all the ingredients together. That looks perfect. Now here I made a pair of small black balls as the eyes and a cute smile. We are done. I'm so happy for the way it turned out. In the second round, we got plants. Interesting. But what type of plant though? It's a cactus. I was expecting this theory actually. And comment down below if I have to do a part 2 of this challenge or any other challenge videos. With purple clay, I'm making the pot of the plant, and with green, I'm making the cacti. I'm using this tool to make it rough and spiky because obviously cactus will be pointy. Then I'm making these tiny balls for the flowers for the cactus. It makes it cute. And at last, the eyes, the smile, and the pin. I would totally wear this all day long. So, it's the last round. And what did we get? We got animals. Okay, so what animal? It's a kitty. Let's make it. So it's going to be a white kitty. So I'm making an oval for the face, 2 triangles as the ears, and a cone as a body. Let's make 4 balls as the hands and legs. With the pink clay, let's make a heart as a decor and a purple bow. I don't want the kitty to be like so simple. Don't forget to add the tail. Then add the eyes, mouth, whiskers, and the pin. And that's it. We are done. Hoping that you all like this video. And that's it. See you all with a marvelous video in the next week.